Hello guys, welcome back to your time, and let's go intro first. What's up guys, this is HGB Films, and for all of those are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Henry and this is unboxing and review time. So today's unboxing review is for the VISLLA or VISLLA, I don't know how to say the name, but it's for wireless earbuds, which I found in Amazon. I was looking for some wireless earbuds, and well, I found these ones on Amazon, and I think this is the best item to make a review about it. Okay, now talking about the quality and details of these earbuds. The VISLLA wireless earbuds is 5.0 Bluetooth sport headphones. It has a stereo bass sound. It has the TWS earbuds over ear Sweatproof, which is if you are sweating, if you are running or doing exercise, whatever, that's not going to affect the earbuds. So it has 8 hours of Playtime wireless. It has a 8 hours time battery. It weighs 10 grams, which in pounds I believe is 0.20 pounds. Works with Siri, and is comparable with Microsoft, Android, and Apple. In 110 mAh, so the earbuds will last up to 8 hours. Like I said before, for use a single fully charged with the 500 mAh charging station that hold 2 times recharges for the twins earbuds. These Bluetooth headphones can be used over 24 hours continuously, including you can easily control your play, which pause, resume the music, increase, reduce the volume, skip the next song if you don't like it. All of that you can do it just touching the earphone. These headphones will both work for a phone call if you have them both in both ears. If you have the headphones in both ears, I guess it's not gonna work. You can answer the phone calls touching the earphones. The quality communication when you are talking with the earphones, you answer a phone call, let's say, is like face to face. When I say face to face, it means it's like you are talking with that person right there physically, not using your phone. I have only 4 colors, which is black, red, green and blue, all for the same price. Sometimes when you are buying something, anything, a camera, whatever, the price always change because the color. Well, in this case, it's not like that. Every color costs the same price, $39.99. The quality of the sound is really good, and the price is one of the best for this for these earbuds. Okay guys, so this is the end of the your time unboxing and review. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell to be notified about new videos, and follow me on my Instagram, which is HGBFilms27, for more entertainment. And like always, my name is Henry and this is your time.